whenever you are including your information in your description box, be sure that you add the most important information to the top 3 lines, because that's all you will be able to see without clicking the search more you see right here. And I'm going to show you why that's important. You see here, show more, and you can see the subscribe here. Okay, I created a link using bit.ly, and that is this site right here, bit.ly.com. Now, if you go down here, you see subscribe to iPhone 4 Noob, and you can see that that link has been clicked 12,646 times. Now, just stop and think about it, guys. Look how many times or how many subscriptions I would have missed out on if I had not put that link there. That just makes it that much easier. You know, yes, you do have a subscription button right there, but don't ask me why, but some users prefer to click a link, and that's why having that link right there is so important. And then the next 2 lines, you probably would want to put any post you're linking to, you know, such as your blog post. And you'll see that if we click the search more, that the next line that you can't see is it goes directly to my blog. And it's so important that you link to your blog, and from your blog back to your videos for SEO purposes. So keep that in mind. Put your blog link in every single video. Not only can it help your SEO, but if you ever have to establish ownership of a video that someone has stolen from you, YouTube will actually use that information to verify that you're the owner of this. Okay, so keep that in mind. Always link your videos and any kind of post. Put all your social media in there. And if you have any very popular videos at the time, I always try to include at least 4 or 5 video links. And, you know, I've got a few more than that in there right now, but I probably could take this iOS 7 stuff out. But I have it in there. And I also have my schedule in there too, you see. So keep that stuff in mind. And any kind of music you use, always give reference to that person in your description. That way you won't get in trouble.